Atlanta Business and Data Science Academy for the Gifted. The animated series. Season 1, Building an AI-powered fundraising and marketing solution. Episode 7, Building secure apps.
Students enter the classroom carrying laptops and notebooks. They find their seats while Professor Wilson stands at the front of the room beside a large digital whiteboard displaying today's agenda.
Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a chance to review yesterday's email API lesson. Today is an exciting day because we're beginning to work with multiple real-world clients. One of the things that makes software engineering so exciting is that every client brings a different business problem to solve. Our job isn't simply to write code. Our job is to understand the business problem and then engineer the right solution.
Professor Wilson changes the board to display 2 client logos and 2 project assignments.
As many of you already know, Mike's team will continue leading development for Atlanta Local. They're building an AI-powered fundraising and marketing platform. Their current focus is expanding the communication infrastructure that will eventually power autonomous marketing.
He changes slides.
Our second client is Western Financial Insurance. They specialize in managing high-risk loans. Their challenge is completely different. They need a secure internal system that allows employees to manage sensitive customer information while ensuring every employee only has access to the information they're authorized to see. That means today's lesson is all about permissions. Before we begin today's project, let's review something from yesterday. You probably noticed that every method inside our email service class was declared as a static method. Can anyone tell me why we chose to do that?
Professor Wilson smiles before answering.
The reason is simple. A static method belongs to the class itself, not to an individual object. So instead of writing something like this, email service equals email service, send email, we can simply call email service, send email. We don't need to create an instance of the class first. For service classes that don't maintain their own internal state, static methods keep our code simpler, cleaner, and easier to reuse throughout the application.
Professor Wilson changes the screen to a wireframe of the Western Financial Insurance application.
Now, let's shift our attention to today's client. Imagine we launch this application exactly as it is right now. No authentication, no authorization, no permissions. What happens?
He pauses for the class.
Every user could potentially access every page. Every employee could view information they were never supposed to see in a financial application. That isn't just a bug. It's a serious security problem.
The whiteboard transitions into a permissions diagram. Groups appear on the left. Pages and database models appear on the right. Arrows connect the relationships.
So today, we're going to design a permission system. We'll organize permissions around user groups. Each group will receive specific permissions. We'll secure our application in 2 important ways. First, page-level permissions. Can a user even access this page? And second, model-level permissions. Even if they can access the page, what records are they actually allowed to create? Read, update, or delete? By the end of today's lesson, you'll understand how professional software teams build applications that are both functional and secure.
Fade out.